Hello friends, my name is Mudassir Manzoor and I welcome you all in this new initiative of Target Computer Awareness that is going to help you in banking, SSC, GKSSB, UGC NET, Police, Railway and in other state level recruitment exams. And here you can see some special features of this series. It include chapter wise discussion and notes forum, chapter wise question bank with each chapter wise collection of previous year questions including with 5 practice sets. So this is going to be most important section for you people that will help you in bank, PO clerk, SSC, GKSSB, UGC NET, Police, Railway and in other state level exams. And through this entire series we are going to cover almost all the syllabus और मैं students से request करता हूँ कि वो revise करें each chapter each part at least twice and they can also practice MCQs, PYQs as well before their examination. इसके अलावा मैं आपको ऑल्सो बता दूं अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो मेक श्योर आप चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और आप मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हैं ऑन दी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स एंड फॉर PDF यू कैन ज्वाइन दी टेलीग्राम ग्रुप. अदरवाइज अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट या अगर आपको स्टडी मटेरियल ज़रूरत हो देन आप मुझे ऑल्सो मेल कर सकते हैं ऑन दिस ईमेल. और हमने ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट किए हैं पार्ट 1 and 2 ऑफ दिस चैप्टर इन विच वी हैड डिस्कस्ड सर्टेन टॉपिक्स दैट आर इम्पोर्टेंट फ्रॉम योर एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. अगर आपने अभी तक उन वीडियोस को नहीं देखा, वीडियोस आर अवेलेबल देयर, आप जाके उन वीडियोस को आल्सो देख सकते हैं. एंड टुडे दिस विल बी आवर पार्ट 3 एंड टॉपिक्स जो कि आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं दैट आर malware and other threats to computer security. So let's start. First of all, what is malware? Malware जो है is also called as malicious software and it is a harmful software जिसको create किया जाता है with a bad intent such as to disrupt the normal operations, damage files or entire system and to steal or to gain unauthorized access to sensitive data. So it is one of the most common cyber attack method because it can compromise system integrity, means it can alter or it can destroy files and programs, and it can also steal sensitive information like passwords, credit card numbers or personal data, and it can also disrupt operations such as shut down computer, log files or slow down networks. So that's why जो एंटीवायरस या firewall encryption and user awareness जो है that is essential. They are the essential defenses against the malware. ठीक है. And there are various types of malware. These include first जो है that is virus. You know जो virus है it is type of malware that basically attaches itself to the clean files or programs. And ये जो virus है it cannot spread on its own but rather it only activates or it replicates when user runs any infected file or program. So ये जो virus है it spreads when user unknowingly takes any action such as opening an infected email attachment, running a compromised program or sharing infected files which allows it to propagate to other files and systems. And ये जो virus है it can cause damage by deleting important files and programs, corrupting or altering data which makes it unusable, slow down system performance, due to which that also leads to resource consumption, and even in severe cases it also renders the entire system unusable until cleaned or reinstalled. ठीक है. और जो examples हैं virus के that are file infected viruses. ये जो viruses हैं these viruses are specifically attached themselves to the executable files like .exe or .com. And जब एक infected program जो है that was launched in one file it activates or it spreads to the other executable files. And there are also macro viruses. जो macro virus है it is a type of computer virus जो कि specifically target करता है documents को such as those documents that are created in Microsoft Word or Excel, because ये जो programs और ये जो documents हैं ये support macros. Macros जो है these are nothing but the small sets of instructions that automate tasks. And macro virus जो है it hides inside the instructions and runs automatically. ठीक है. However, it's also important to note that कि जो first कंप्यूटर वायरस है दैट वाज कॉल्ड एज क्रीपर एंड इसको क्रिएट किया गया इन द ईयर 1971 बाय बॉब थॉमस एट बीबीएन टेक्नोलॉजीज एंड इसको बेसिकली क्रिएट किया गया एज सेल्फ रेप्लिकेटिंग एक्सपेरिमेंटल प्रोग्राम रादर देन मैलिशियस लाइक मॉडर्न वायरसेस। सिमिलरली जो ब्रेन वायरस है इसको आइडेंटिफाई किया गया इन द ईयर 1986 and it became the first boot sector virus for personal computer. Means it infected the boot sector of the floppy disk और जब उस फ्लॉपी डिस्क को यूज़ किया जाता है टू स्टार्ट ए कंप्यूटर, जो ये वायरस है इट लोड्स इनटू द मेमोरी एंड स्प्रेड्स टू द अदर डिस्क्स। ठीक है। सेकंड जो है सेकंड इज वर्म। वर्म जो है इट्स ऑल्सो ए टाइप ऑफ मालवेयर दैट रन्स ऑन इट्स ओन एंड इट also replicates itself without attaching to other files or programs. Means unlike virus जो worm है it does not need human action to spread but rather it moves across networks automatically. So जो worm है it spreads by moving across networks and it takes the advantage of security weakness in computers or softwares that is often without any action from the user. And जो worm है it can cause damage by slowing down computers and networks due to the excessive activities, crashing servers and disrupting services, and also consuming bandwidth by making network inefficient and sometimes by carrying other malware to infect systems further. And some common examples जो है worms के that includes I love you worm 2000. ये जो टाइप है वर्म का it spreads through email with a tempting subject line I love you and it infected billions of computers worldwide and it caused billions of dollars in damage by overwriting files and spreading rapidly. Similarly, Conflicker 2018 it basically exploited the vulnerabilities in Windows system to spread across networks which allow attackers to control infected computers remotely. And it is also worthy to mention here that कि जो payload है it is a part of malware like a worm जिसको basically design किया जाता है to perform specific harmful actions and इसको also use किया जाता है to spread on a large scale, cause damage, steal data or to install additional malicious program once the worm has infected the system. ठीक है। थर्ड जो है थर्ड इज ट्रोजन हॉर्स। ट्रोजन जो है it is also a type of malware that basically pretends to be a normal or useful program in order to trick users into installing it. And once it activates, it can carry out malicious actions without the user knowing. So ये जो ट्रोजन मालवेयर है इट स्प्रेड्स व्हेन यूजर्स जो है दे डाउनलोड एनी इन्फेक्टेड प्रोग्राम, फेक सॉफ्टवेयर अपडेट्स और बंडल्ड सॉफ्टवेयर्स दैट कंटेन द मैलिशियस कोड they unknowingly install it on the system. And it can also cause serious damage by stealing sensitive informations like passwords or banking details, installing backdoors that allow hackers to control the system, and granting unauthorized access to the attackers by compromising security. And some common examples जो है ट्रोजन हॉर्स के that includes fake antivirus programs. ये जो programs हैं these programs pretend to protect your computer but actually they trick users into paying for a useless harmful application and that further steal their personal information, that install malware or to give attackers remote access. And also game cheats or hacks. These programs may seem like harmless programs to gain advantage in games, but these programs hide keylogs or spywares in the system, and further they can also steal passwords, track users activity or to install additional malware without the users knowing. ठीक है। फोर्थ जो है फोर्थ इज ransomware. Ransomware जो है it is a type of malware that also locks our files or entire system by encrypting them and then demands a ransom or money to give you access back. And ये जो ransomware है it spreads through various methods like ईमेल्स जो कि ट्रिक करते हैं यूज़र्स को इनटू क्लिकिंग मैलिशियस ट्रिक्स, infected attachments in emails or downloads, and exploiting unpaged system vulnerabilities to gain access without user action. And your ransomware it can cause damage by encrypting or by deleting important data, which may lead to data loss, disrupting operations, making systems or networks unusable. And it also cause financial loss either from ransom payments or recovery costs. एंड सम कॉमन एग्जाम्पल्स जो है रैनसमवेयर के दीज आर WannaCry 2017. ये जो प्रोग्राम है इट स्प्रेड्स rapidly worldwide that basically lock computers in hospitals, businesses, and universities, which further disrupt operations, cause data in accessibility, and lead to the significant financial loss. Similarly, Revel जो है it is also a program which target large corporations, and it demands very high ransoms to unlock encrypted data, which further leads to the operational disruption, financial loss, and potential data exposure for victims. ठीक है. फिफ्थ इज स्पाईवेयर. जो स्पाईवेयर है it is also a type of malware that secretly watches what a user does on their computer or device, and it basically collects our sensitive information such as keystrokes, login credentials, or browsing habits without the user knowing. एंड ये जो स्पाईवेयर है इट्स स्प्रेड्स जब यूज़र जो है दे इंस्टॉल फ्री सॉफ्टवेयर्स दैट इंक्लूड्स हिडन स्पाईवेयर, or they download programs from any unsafe or malicious website which unknowingly affect their system. And ये जो spyware है it can cause damage by violating privacy, by collecting personal or sensitive information without the user's consent, and by enabling identity theft through stolen login credentials or financial data, and it can also slow down systems due to the extra processes running in the background. ठीक है. एंड सम कॉमन एग्जाम्पल जो है स्पाईवेयर के दैट इंक्लूड्स की लॉगर्स. की लॉगर्स जो है दे सीक्रेटली रिकॉर्ड एवरी की स्ट्रोक दैट यूज़र टाइप्स, जो कि आल्सो कैप्चर करते हैं पासवर्ड्स, मैसेजेस एंड अदर सेंसिटिव इंफॉर्मेशन को, which further leads to the identity theft, account compromise, and financial loss. Similarly, tracking cookies जो है these are the small files that are placed in our browser to monitor our online activity, and they are basically used for the marketing purposes or malicious profiling, which also collects data without your consent, जो कि इन्वेड करते हैं हमारी प्राइवेसी को, और they may also expose our personal information to advertisers or attackers. ठीक है. सिक्स इज बॉटनेट. बॉटनेट जो है इट इज़ अ नेटवर्क ऑफ इन्फेक्टेड कंप्यूटर्स और बॉट्स जो कि जिनको रिमोटली कंट्रोल करते हैं साइबर क्रिमिनल्स. और ये जो बॉट्स हैं दीज आर यूज टुगेदर टू परफॉर्म लार्ज स्केल अटैक्स विदाउट द ओनर्स नॉलेज. एंड ये जो बॉटनेट्स हैं दीज स्प्रेड व्हेन कंप्यूटर्स जो हैं दे इन्फेक्टेड थ्रू वार्म्स, ट्रोजन्स और malicious downloads which allow attackers to add them to their network of controlled bots. And जो botnet है it can also cause damage by launching large scale attackers like distributed denial of service to overwhelm websites or networks, and by sending massive amounts of spam emails, and also mining cryptocurrencies using the infected computer resources without the owner's consent. And some common examples जो है botnet के that includes Zeus. ये जो botnet है इसको primarily यूज़ किया जाता है to steal banking credentials from infected computers, which further leads to the financial theft, unauthorized access to bank accounts, and widespread cybercrime. Similarly, Mirai program जो है it also targets IoT devices like cameras and routers to create a massive DDoS botnet, which also overwhelm websites and online services that also cause widespread internet outages. ठीक है. 7 is fileless malware. जो फाइललेस मालवेयर है, इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ malicious सॉफ्टवेयर दैट बेसिकली रन्स डायरेक्टली in a computer's memory rather than that is being stored on the hard drive. और ये हमें बहुत ही डेंजरस देखने को मिल सकता है बिकॉज इट डज नॉट लीव एनी फाइल्स ऑन द डिस्क, so it becomes very hard for traditional antivirus programs to detect. और ये जो malwares हैं, these malwares spread by abusing legitimate system tools such as PowerShells, window management instrumentation, or document macros, which allows it to execute malicious actions without creating files on disk. एंड ये जो फाइललेस मालवेयर है, इट कैन कॉज डैमेज बाय कंडक्टिंग stealthy espionage to monitor systems without detection, and they can also steal sensitive data like passwords or credential files, and maintaining persistence in a network, which makes it difficult to remove. And some common examples जो है फाइललेस मालवेयर के, that includes ATP, that is advanced persistent threat. ये जो अटैक्स हैं, these attacks often use PowerShell scripts to execute malicious code directly in a memory, which enables long-term stealthy access to the network's data theft and system control without leaving traces on disk. Similarly, fileless banking trojans, ये जो attacks हैं, these attacks manipulate web browsers during online transactions without installing files on a system, which can also steal our banking credentials, hijack transactions, and they can also drain our accounts while remaining nearly invisible to traditional security tools. I hope ये सब आपको clear हुआ होगा. Now next talking about the threats to other threats to computer security. Apart from malware, there are also other threats to computer security. These threats are the potential dangers that can compromise the confidentiality, integrity or availability of computer systems, networks and data. And ये जो threats हैं, these threats include, first जो है that is spoofing. Spoofing जो है, it is a cyber attack जहाँ attacker जो है that pretends to be a trusted person, device or system to trick users or computers into revealing information, granting access or performing actions they normally would not. And it is also called as a masquerade. And इसका जो goal है, that is to bypass security measures or to gain unauthorized access. और जो typing है spoofing के, that includes IP spoofing. In this type of spoofing, जो attacker है that sends IP packets by using a fake source address to make it appear as if the traffic comes from the trusted source. And इसको basically use किया जाता है to bypass network security, launch DDoS attack or to hide the attacker's identity. Next जो है, next is mail spoofing. In this type of spoofing, जो attacker होता है, he illegally copies the sender's address in an email to make it look like it comes from a trusted source. And इसको often use किया जाता है in phishing attacks to devise recipients into revealing sensitive information or clicking any malicious links. Similarly, website spoofing जो है, in this type of spoofing, जो attacker है that creates fake websites that look similar like real ones, और इसका जो purpose है that is also to trick users into entering information, logging credentials or payment details, which the attacker can then steal. And one of the major examples जो है IP spoofing की, that is fake login page that basically looks similar like bank's official website, and इसका जो goal है that is to trick users into entering their username, password or other sensitive information which attackers then steal. And effects जो है IP spoofing के, that includes data theft like stealing personal information, financial or login information, session hijacking, that is taking control of users activity sessions, and also malware delivery जिसमें users जो है they are to be tricked into downloading malicious software. ठीक है. Second जो है, second is salami technique. It is basically a type of fraud जहाँ tiny amounts of money जो है that are taken from money back accounts, and here each detection जो होती है that is very small, that is usually unnoticed, but when these amounts of money are combined together, it leads to the significant profit for the attacker. एंड वन ऑफ द मेजर एग्जांपल जो है सलामी टेक्निक की, दैट इज जब प्रोग्रामर जो है दैट मॉडिफाइज टू डिटेक्ट 1 cent फ्रॉम एवरी ट्रांजैक्शन अक्रॉस मनी अकाउंट्स। एंड ये जो स्मॉल amount है it usually goes unnoticed individually that we cannot notice, but they accumulate into subsistent sum for the attacker. And effects जो है सलामी टेक्निक की, that includes accumulated theft over time. As I told you, जो प्रोग्रामर है that takes small amounts of money to a significant total, and it is also hard to detect because each individual detection जो होती है here that is very little, which makes it difficult for the users or auditors to notice. एंड सम कॉमन यूजेस जो है सलामी टेक्निक के, दैट इज़ इसको प्राइमरली यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर फाइनेंशियल फ्रॉड, स्पेशली इन बैंकिंग, पे रोल और अकाउंटिंग सिस्टम्स, जहाँ स्मॉल रिपीट ट्रांजेक्शन्स जो है दैट गोज अननोटिस्ड। ठीक है। थर्ड इज़ हैकिंग। जो हैकिंग है इट मीन्स गेनिंग अनऑथराइज्ड एक्सेस और टू कंट्रोल आवर कंप्यूटर सिस्टम्स, नेटवर्क्स और डेटा। एंड इसका जो पर्पस है दैट इज ऑल्सो टू स्टील इंफॉर्मेशन, डिसरप्ट सर्विसेज और टू एक्सप्लॉइट सिस्टम वल्नरेबिलिटीज। एंड सम कॉमन टाइप्स जो है हैकिंग के, दैट इंक्लूड्स वाइट हैट हैकिंग, as we had discussed in previous sessions as well. जो white hat hacking है, it is a type of ethical hacking that is performed by the security experts, and इसका जो purpose है that is to identify vulnerabilities in system and to fix them before malicious hackers can exploit them. Next is black hat hacking. जो black hat hacking है, it is a type of malicious hacking carried out by the attacker with harmful intent. एंड इसका जो पर्पस है दैट इज ऑल्सो टू स्टील, alter or to destroy data, disrupt the systems and to commit cybercrime for personal gain. Kindly let me know in the comment section what is grey hacking. और वन ऑफ द मेजर एग्जाम्पल जो है हैकिंग की, दैट इज़ व्हेन अटैकर जो है दे bypasses websites login system to gain access to admin features which further steals data, modifies content or to control the website without the permission. और जो इफेक्ट्स है हैकिंग के, दैट इंक्लूड्स डेटा थेफ्ट, दैट इज स्टीलिंग सेंसिटिव और कॉन्फिडेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन, सर्विस डिसरप्शन, दैट इज क्रैशिंग और स्लोइंग डाउन सिस्टम्स एंड नेटवर्क्स, रेपुटेशन डैमेज, दैट इज हर्टिंग द क्रेडिबिलिटी एंड ट्रस्ट ऑफ एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और इंडिविजुअल्स। ठीक है। फोर इज क्रैकिंग। क्रैकिंग जो है इट मीन्स illegally breaking into softwares or computer systems, often to bypass security measures such as passwords, license restrictions or copy protection. And इसका जो purpose है that is to totally done to gain authorized access, use softwares without payment or bypass restrictions. और जो difference है between hacking and cracking, that is कि जो hacking है it may be legal or ethical like white hat hacking, and it focuses on the finding vulnerabilities, while जो cracking है it is almost illegal because it aims at to bypass protections or committing cybercrime. And one of the major example जो है cracking की, that is when जो user है that removes the license verification from the paid software to use it without purchasing. So it is an illegal use of the software and potential exposure to the malware from cracked programs. और जो effects हैं cracking के, that includes intellectual property theft like stealing software or proprietary code. Similarly, software piracy like using or distributing software illegally, and also legal consequences like criminal charges, fines or imprisonment for the offender. And it is also important to note that कि जो साइबर क्रैकर है it is a person who uses computers or networks to harm others or to steal data or to destroy critical systems, and they are typically involved in illegal or malicious activities unlike ethical hackers. ठीक है। फिफ्थ इज फिशिंग। फिशिंग जो है इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ सोशल इंजीनियरिंग अटैक, जहाँ अटैकर्स जो है दे प्रिटेंड to be trusted entities like bankers, companies or colleagues to trick users into revealing sensitive information such as passwords, credit card numbers or personal data. And one of the major example जो है phishing की, that is fake email that appears to be from PayPal, which ask users to enter their login credentials. And here जो attacker हैं, they steals amount access and they gain access to the sensitive financial information. And effects जो है phishing के, that includes credential theft, that is stealing usernames, passwords or pins; identity fraud, that is using stolen information to impersonate victims; and unauthorized access, that is gaining access to the account systems or sensitive data without the user's permission. ठीक है। सिक्स जो है, सिक्स इज स्पैम। जो स्पैम है, it is unsolicited and often irrelevant messages that are sent over on the internet, usually to a large number of recipients. एंड इसको स्पेसिफिकली यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर द पर्पज़ ऑफ एडवर्टाइजिंग, स्कैम्स, स्प्रेडिंग मालवेयर और फिशिंग अटैक्स। एंड जो टाइप्स हैं स्पैम के, दैट इंक्लूड्स ईमेल स्पैम। ईमेल स्पैम जो है, इट इज़ बेसिकली एन अनवांटेड और अनसॉलिसिटेड ईमेल दैट इज सेंट टू द लार्ज नंबर ऑफ यूजर्स. And messaging spam, these are also the unsolicited messages that are to be sent through SMS, instant messaging apps or social media. And also comment spam, it is basically an unwanted or irrelevant messages that are posted in blogs, forums or online comment sessions. And one of the major example जो है spam की, that is mass email. जो mass email है, इसको send किया जाता है to many receptors to promote fake products, services or scams which annoy users, waste bandwidth and sometimes lead to the phishing or malware infections. और जो effects हैं spam के, that includes wastes resources, like it consumes bandwidth and storage, and it also spreads malware which carries malicious attachments or links, clogs inboxes जो कि overload करते हैं users को with unwanted messages, and also the part of phishing scams which all that are also used to trick users into revealing sensitive information. ठीक है। सेवन जो है, सेवन इज एडवेयर। एडवेयर जो है, इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर जो कि ऑटोमेटिकली शो और डाउनलोड करते हैं एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स को ऑन यूजर्स डिवाइस, and it's commonly bundled with free programs, and it may also attract users activity, display targeted ads. And one of the major examples जो है एडवेयर की, that is free video player, जो कि constantly display करते हैं pop-up ads को और that redirects the users to advertise websites. And effects जो है एडवेयर के, that includes it can slow down the system due to the excessive advertisements and background processes, and it also track users behavior to display targeted ads, and it also invades privacy by collecting browsing data without the consent, and it may also lead to the malware if malicious ads or links are followed. ठीक है। 8 जो है, 8 is rootkit. rootkit जो है, it is also a malicious software जिसको basically डिज़ाइन किया जाता है to hide its presence on the computer while allowing attackers to maintain privileged or admin level access. And इसका जो purpose है, that is to control the system stealthy, which makes its detection and removal very difficult. And one of the major example जो है rootkit की, that is Trojan. Trojan जो है, इसको Trojan जो है, that install this rootkit that hides its files and processes from antivirus and security scanners. And here जो attacker हैं, that also gains stealthy control over on the system and can perform malicious actions without being detected. And effects जो है rootkit के, that includes deep system compromise which give attackers extensive control over on the computer, then persistent backdoor access which also allows long-term unauthorized access, and also it is hard to detect and remove, which conceals its presence from security tools, which makes cleanup very difficult. So guys, that's it for today. I hope आपको अच्छे से क्लियर हुआ होगा। अगर कहीं भी डाउट कन्फ्यूजन हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखें, या आप मुझे मेल कर सकते हैं ऑन दिस ईमेल, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो फॉलो मी ऑन दी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स, एंड फॉर PDF you can join the Telegram group. So that's it for today. I hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to Discipline Talk channel. Thank you for watching.